watching the video of property. In this video, we cover all the details about this neighborhood, like location, background, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and main category and facilities also. As you can see on the street property location, there is the nearby attractions and landmark also.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the property is good and for the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Some offers are available online for this property along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check the description. If you are facing any sort of problem booking this property, contact us by commenting. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe